Hey tech fans, welcome back to Phenom Builts. Today, we're diving into the 5 best blenders 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have products you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Braun JB7500BK TriForce Power Blender. The Braun JB7500BK TriForce Power Blender stands out as a powerhouse in the kitchen appliance market, blending performance, innovation, and sleek design. Equipped with a robust 1,600-watt motor and a high-speed blade assembly, this blender is perfect for tackling a wide range of blending tasks, from silky smoothies to hearty soups. The TriForce's pre-programmed settings, such as crushed ice, smoothie, and soup modes, make it incredibly user-friendly, especially for those new to high-performance blenders. Additionally, the durability of its Tritan pitcher and precision of its design ensure a long-lasting and reliable kitchen companion. What truly sets the JB7500BK apart is its attention to detail and versatility. The BPA-free pitcher has a uniquely designed triangular shape, which optimizes blending by minimizing food clumping and ensuring consistent results. Furthermore, the blender's manual speed settings provide fine-tuned control for those who like to experiment with textures. The unit's intuitive LED display and straightforward interface enhance the overall user experience. While it comes with a premium price tag, its powerful performance and sophisticated features make the Braun JB7500BK a worthy investment for serious home chefs and blending enthusiasts alike. Number 4, Nutribullet Flip Portable Blender with Insulated Cup, Brushed Stainless, NBPB50350SS. The Nutribullet Flip Portable Blender with Insulated Cup is a stylish and functional solution for on-the-go blending enthusiasts. With its compact design and powerful motor, this blender is ideal for preparing smoothies, shakes, or light meal replacements directly in the included insulated cup. The brushed stainless steel finish gives it a modern and premium look, making it a great addition to any kitchen or workspace. The insulated cup is particularly noteworthy, as it keeps beverages cool or warm for extended periods, making it perfect for busy individuals who value convenience and portability. While compact, the NBPB50350SS delivers commendable performance for its size, handling frozen fruits, ice, and other ingredients with ease. Its straightforward one-touch operation makes it highly user-friendly, and the flip-top lid adds practicality for sipping on the go. However, the smaller capacity might not suit those with larger portion needs or more extensive culinary ambitions. Additionally, some users might find it less powerful than full-sized blenders for heavy-duty tasks. Nonetheless, the Nutribullet Flip is a reliable and versatile choice for anyone looking for a blend of portability, efficiency, and style in their blending routine. Number 3, KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender. The KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen, particularly for those who love icy drinks and smoothies. With its robust motor and thoughtfully designed asymmetrical blade, this blender excels at crushing ice in mere seconds. Its 3 speed options and pulse functionality offer precise control, catering to a variety of blending needs beyond ice, such as pureeing vegetables or preparing creamy smoothies. The sleek and sturdy design, combined with KitchenAid's reputation for quality, makes it a visually appealing and durable appliance for both casual and frequent users. What makes the K150 stand out is its ease of use and consistency. The soft start feature ensures the motor and blades operate smoothly, pulling ingredients down into the blending vortex for uniform results. Its 48-ounce BPA-free jar is large enough for family-sized portions yet compact enough for easy storage. However, the K150 may not offer the advanced presets or power of some higher-end models, which could be a consideration for users seeking professional-grade performance. Still, its ice-crushing capabilities, simple interface, and reliable build make it a strong contender in its class, delivering excellent value for its price. Number 2, Breville BBL 620 SAL1 AUS1 The Fresh and Furious Food Blender. The Breville Fresh and Furious Blender combines style, efficiency, and versatility to create a high-performing kitchen companion. With a 1,100-watt motor and pre-programmed settings for smoothies, green smoothies, and ice crushing, this blender is designed to handle a range of culinary tasks with ease. Its surgical-grade stainless steel blades ensure precision blending, while the innovative blade and bowl system minimizes food traps, making cleaning hassle-free. The sleek silver design and compact footprint make it an attractive and functional addition to any countertop. A standout feature of the Fresh and Furious blender is its intuitive interface, which includes a digital timer for accurate blending and a quiet, yet powerful motor that doesn't disrupt the kitchen. The BPA-free Tritan jug, with a 1.5-liter capacity, strikes a balance between portability and functionality, suitable for individual servings or small gatherings. However, while it performs exceptionally well for everyday blending tasks, it may fall short for those looking for ultra-high-powered blenders capable of handling heavy-duty tasks like grinding grains or blending hot soups. Overall, the Breville Fresh and Furious is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish, user-friendly blender with reliable everyday performance. Number 1. Nutribullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender. The Nutribullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender is a compact yet powerful appliance, ideal for individuals seeking a quick and efficient solution for their blending needs. Its 900-watt motor is designed to break down tough ingredients, including seeds, nuts, and fibrous fruits, into smooth and nutrient-rich blends. The sleek design and personal-sized cups make it a perfect choice for single servings, whether you're preparing smoothies, protein shakes, or dressings. Its straightforward operation, just push, twist, and blend, ensures convenience, especially for busy users. What sets the Nutribullet Pro apart is its practicality and focus on health-oriented users. The included accessories, such as multiple BPA-free cups with resealable lids, add to its versatility and portability, allowing you to take your creations on the go. However, it lacks the advanced settings and durability of larger, more robust blenders, making it best suited for lighter blending tasks rather than heavy-duty use. For its compact size and powerful motor, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is an excellent choice for personal blending, offering efficiency and ease of use at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.